Doesn't Don Cornelius look just like Gordon Curvey? I've always felt that way. Air guitar, gotta have some air guitar when you're on the Soul Train. Little seat dance going on. This is exactly how I do it when I'm in the club. Little seat exercise. All right, what do we got here? Sexy people on the rafters. Little backless dress going on here. Hair's looking fabulous. Summertime. Luther Vandross, School of Fashion. Whoop, got the kick in. Boom, the little shoulders. Working it. All right, little wide shot going here. LA, beautiful people. And Vivica Fox and Louis behind her doing the English cop thing. Sashes, hair, more hair. Of course, everyone had their Michael phase. Don't lie, so did you. Having a good time. Boom. Now, she made it really cool to be dating half Thai, half Filipino, half everything. Curls. And look at that, Casey Carter. Doing the damn thing. No, that was Casey's before her time. All right. Sexy dresses. Louis getting weird again. Not exactly sure what he's doing. Vivica. Bam! Casey again. Nice. Painter's pants, I think they called those. Here we go. Working. Working. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yes, indeed. Confidence. That's what it took at Soul Train. Confidence. And then if you had use for the prom dress, you would go on Soul Train. Nope, get the spin. Gotta have the spin. Soul Train. Never forget it. Come on, y'all. You know what I'm talking about.